The 575th Aircraft Maintenance Squadron hosted a rollout ceremony for their first production aircraft of the Pacer Classic III modification to the T-38 aircraft. The modification project will extend the life of the plane for up to 20 to 25 years. It is the largest modification ever to this airframe. The T-38 is vital to the Air Force mission because it trains pilots to fly a variety of fighter and attack planes.
Pilot training's in high demand. It's only getting more in demand as we get F-35s and F-22s online to fly. And really, this is going to give more assets back to increase aircraft availability and continue that pilot training in the future.
General Carl A. Bueller, commander of the Ogden Air Logistics Complex at Hill Air Force Base in Utah, was the guest of honor for this rollout ceremony. He leads teams that overhaul and modify a variety of aircraft to include the T-38.
If you talk to our aviators, they're very excited to fly the first two airplanes that were delivered out of the factory in a pre-production called a validation verification phase. Incredible feedback from the aviators. Folks that have flown it for years say they wish they had this airplane in its current state for years.
The Pacer Classic III modification will transform approximately 150 T-38s for the Air Education and Training Command within the next 7 years. The project is expected to cost $250 million, involving several hundred members of the 575th Aircraft Maintenance Squadron and various mission partners. From the 502nd Air Base Wing Public Affairs Office, I'm Sean Schroeder.